Yo, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So if you look on the screen right now, you see something bold, a title called Fiverr for Dummies, how to make your first $1,000 on Fiverr. Yes, this is the Fiverr course you are requested for a few months back. Now I'm ready to put out this video. Okay, and this is a Fiverr course, all-inclusive Fiverr course on how you can make your first $1,000 on Fiverr. And I chose this word, Fiverr for Dummies. Don't be offended by this word. It's just to portray how simple, how basic this course is, how I took my time to explain in simplest terms, what Fiverr is and how you can make your first $1,000 on Fiverr by taking this course. So how much is this course? How much? It's absolutely free. I'm not charging you anything. It's absolutely free. All you need to do is to subscribe to this channel. Hit on the red subscribe button, because the videos will come in series. Like I'll be uploading it day by day, week by week, month by month, till I upload the very last video. So you don't want to miss any of the videos. Okay, don't worry, I'm going to create a playlist. Okay, so a playlist where all the videos, so if you want to watch the video calls, a playlist is there for you to watch all of it, and it's going to come with this custom color. So you are going to see this kind of purple. Okay, the thumbnails are going to be in this purple. So any of my videos you see with this purple are all my Fiverr course videos. Okay, so overview of the course. Let's go over the overview of the course. So if you look on your screen right now, this course is absolutely free. Okay, it's absolutely free, and at the end of the course, kickstart and start what should be your end gain as someone that took this course. You should be able to start your profitable freelancing business on Fiverr, start making money by selling gigs on Fiverr. This is the end. Like after taking this video course, this is where I want you to be, to start making sales, start making a living off Fiverr. Okay, then who should take this course? I mean, for skilled persons, if you know you are skilled, you can put your talent to use, then this course is for you. For agencies, individuals, for skilled persons that want to monetize and make money by offering their services remotely. Okay, so this course is for you. Then people I don't want to take this course, I don't want you to watch this video if you are someone with a get rich quick mindset. If you know that after watching this video, the next day you start asking me, no, I didn't make money, please don't watch this video. Please don't even subscribe to my channel if you have that quick mindset. Okay, it takes time, it takes practice make perfect. Nothing good comes easy, you all know that. Okay, for unskilled person that will find it hard catching up, I mean, you can, if you are open-minded, I have part of the video lessons I have up here will get you acquired with a skill. Then people looking for to reap where they did not sow, please, I don't want you on my course. No, don't watch. If you are looking to reap where you did not sow, you didn't put in the work, and you are looking for money on Fiverr, please, this course is not for you. Okay, so how much is it? This course is just free. I'm not charging you a dime. Just make sure you have a functional laptop, a mobile phone, any of them, but a laptop will make things easier for you. Then this course is for you. Then course overview. Right here, you see course structure. Down here I have a series of video lessons, okay, with the topics here. Fiverr overview, how to sign up on Fiverr, Fiverr profile. These are all topics and what you are going to learn going forward in this video course I'm about releasing on my channel, down to the very last video on how to create a Payoneer account, okay, which are additional videos I'm going to upload, which is part of this additional videos, which is part of this video course. Okay, so it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Then, having explained all of this, I would like to kickstart, like this is the first video that will kickstart this Fiverr course. I just want to explain. I don't want to make it another video, so I'm just gonna quickly explain Fiverr course to newbies. There are persons that have never heard of Fiverr before. Like, I just want to do it now, explain it to you guys how it works, and my next video should be me getting started on signing up on Fiverr and the course begins. Okay, so what is Fiverr? I know some of you, this is your first time of hearing about this Fiverr I've been talking about. So Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform. Freelancing is all about selling a service and getting paid for the service. Okay, and in selling a service and getting paid for the service, there are two persons involved. There are a company involved and there are individuals involved. So I have this picture right here to explain this. Wait, let me explain this concept to you guys. Okay, hold on. I have a picture that will explain. Okay, I have a picture that will explain this concept to you guys. Okay, so this is how Fiverr works. Right here you have a company or an individual. It can be anyone. Then right here you have Fiverr. This is Fiverr. Okay, this is Fiverr. Then over here you have you. It can be the country behind this. It can be from any country, Europe, Nigeria, Asia, anywhere. Okay, so what happens is this company or an individual is looking to get a service. He or she needs something, needs to get something done. Maybe he needs someone to record a YouTube video for him or her, or they need someone to make a dance video, to make a tutorial video. Okay, so they come here, they come on Fiverr, they come this place, they come to this place on Fiverr. Okay, and they look for people that offer the service that they offer. Then on the other side, you look at you here, the freelancer, someone that can make videos, someone that can do makeup videos, someone that can make tutorial videos, someone that can design a website, someone that can write, someone that can blog. Okay, this is you. So you're on Fiverr. Okay, so this person comes find you here, and you guys talk, go into the inbox and talk and negotiate business, and you conclude agreeing on a price for your service. And these people pay Fiverr. Okay, then when you are done with the work, these people, like this Fiverr, releases the money to you, and this is how you get paid. Okay, and the cycle continues. So basically this is all Fiverr is all about. Okay, so when looking at this interface, I know it might be a little intimidating, but don't worry, this is why this course is here. I'm going to explain all of those things in my subsequent video. So if you look, you see that there are services that are divided into categories, like graphic design, digital marketing. All of these, they are just in categories, like what people do. Just like in the music industry, you have rap artists, you have Afrobeat artists, you have singers. Okay, it's the same thing that happens on Fiverr. So to each man, they have their own what they do. To some, they can do graphic design, it can be logo design, they can do anything design. This place is for them. Then they have digital marketing, people with so many talents in marketing. This side is for them. They have writing, people with writing abilities, writing prowess. This side is for them, and so on and so forth. This is all Fiverr is all about. Oh, they even added NFT marketplace and all of those things, because crypto is trending right now, isn't it? Okay, so and if you scroll down, you see services like these services like gigs. Okay, they are called gigs on Fiverr. They are more like your shop, your services. Okay, so the more services you create, the more shops you open, the more your chances of making sales. I will explain all of this in my subsequent videos. I'm just trying to let you know how Fiverr works. Okay, so and you see each shop they open or each service they are selling, you see they attach a price to it. Okay, so when a customer sees this shop or this service you are selling, they order this particular amount depending on what you are selling. Okay, it can be more than this, it can be even less than this, depending on what the customer wants. Okay, so this is basically what Fiverr is all about. You network, offer your service and get paid for it. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how to sell your service, your skill, to get paid on this particular platform called Fiverr. In this video course, I will upload on my channel. Okay, so having explained all of these things, I know you understood the concept behind Fiverr, and we are very pumped to get started on making money on Fiverr and utilizing your skills, your talent. Okay, make sure you like this video, drop a comment, share this video, and my next video should be me starting off the course. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye for now.